Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install your first database SQL 10G software. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started with this thing. First you have to download the folder. I have already downloaded the RAR file. I will provide you the link in my description so that you can download this RAR file. After downloading this, you have to right click on this thing and go to extract files. I'm going to extract this on my desktop, so it is extracting. You have to wait. After that, after extracting these files, you will get this folder Oracle 10G. Then you will get this setup. Right click on the setup, then go to properties, go to compatibilities, and then here you have to right click on this, run this program in this compatibility mode. Then you have to select Windows XP Service Pack 2. Then you have to apply this and OK. After that, you have to right click and then you have to run it as administrator. Okay, I'm running this as an administrator. After that, the setup will appear like this, and here I'm going to change the location. In C, I want to install this thing, and I'm going to change the name Oracle 123, so you can change it to anything. After that, I'm going to add a password, like you can add anything here. I'm going to add system, here also system. After that, I'm going to click on this next. This will pop up preparing to install. We have to wait for this thing. After that, you will find this specific installation setup. Right click on this thing, user verified, then you have to click on next. Then it will show you like this, processing Oracle, and then you have to right click on allow access. So after that, you will get the summary, Oracle database 10G summary. Then you have to right click on this thing, installation. After that, this will show you like this. We have to wait until it's done. The setup will take minimum 1 or 2 minutes. We have to wait for that thing. Once it is done with its 100%, then this will show you, it will show you like this, and you have to click on this thing. You can click on this thing, wait, and it is still in progress. We have to wait for this thing. This will pop up, database configuration assistant. We have to wait until it's get done. Now it is done. It is showing that database configuration assistant has been completely downloaded, and now we have to right click on this password management and then check where the Scott is. These are all the users who are using this thing by default. Here we found Scott. Uncheck this, it is locked. We have to uncheck, and then we have to enter a password. I'm going to add my password as tiger, and here also I'm going to add that password as tiger. Okay, after that it is done. Okay, so we have to wait again. We have successfully installed this Oracle SQL 10G. So I'm going to exit this thing. Yes, and now this will automatically ask you, and it will show you like this. Exit this thing, close all tabs, then go in search, type SQL, right click and run as administrator. So here Scott, Tiger, we have successfully installed our Oracle database 10G in our Windows 10. So congratulations for installing this software, and I am ending this up. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe this channel, and please promote my channel as much as possible. If your friends are like want to install this software, so you can help them by sharing this link, and you can help me in this way. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. So bye and take care.